Right now, while most people are sleeping, a new kind of worker is awake. It doesn't get tired, it doesn't take breaks, and it's changing the way humans create forever. A few years ago, building a business online meant learning complicated skills, hiring expensive teams, and spending months creating something people might never use. But today, one person with AI can do the work of an entire company.
Our first part is using Claude as our prompt engineer. It developed for us prompt that we are gonna use in Gemini's model. So we're using prompt engineering and cross-model orchestration. We want a real estate front-end website, and we're gonna develop it with Google AI Studio. We're pasting here prompt from Claude with requirements and details on a website that we want. After we click enter, we see how Gemini is working and recommending for us this design. It's following the prompt. It has Property Evaluator, Chatbot, and everything what we actually mentioned that we want. We select the design, and Gemini in a second will develop for us codes that we can own. Very easy and very valuable. Here are the codes. So far good. In one shot, few seconds, we have this. We have this website that of course need to be developed more, but for now we have Chatbot, Evaluator, properties. They are all dummy for now, but we're gonna make it production already. Marketing insights, and this is the most important part, consultations, of course. We want actually business from this, not just a dummy website, but it's great and it's free. Very nice. So now we're gonna export these codes to actually own it. So we're gonna sync it to GitHub. We create repository here. We can do public, private, whatever. This is our test project, so it doesn't matter. And that's it. We're done. We have the codes on GitHub.
Vibe check. Bad vibe. Make a website. Good vibe. React. Glass morphism. Dark mode. Framer motion. The vibe you give is the code you get. So stop prompting like it's 2019 and start prompting like a creative director.
So our next phase in this project is AI Property Evaluator. We want users to actually input the data and our AI to output the property evaluation based on real data. So this is the evaluator that Claude developed for us, actually HTML code. We like it and we want to use it. We want to use it like this. User provides details, Claude search the web for property evaluation and output the result. Pretty simple, but good way to start. This is the HTML code that Claude designed for us. We're gonna use it, we're gonna download it like this, and we have HTML code that is really good. We're gonna use it with Cursor. First you need to download it if you don't have Cursor account. After that you're gonna clone our project from Google AI Studio that is on GitHub. We're gonna clone it to Cursor like this, and in few seconds we can start working. Here are our codes. The cursor interface is good. Left side codes. On the right side we have chatbots and our agent. Mostly we use Opus 4.7 for now. This is the prompt that we're gonna input to Cursor, prompt for AI Property Evaluator. We want to upgrade the Property Evaluator. I'm gonna paste this prompt in Cursor chat box. Same. When we press enter, and Cursor or Opus 4.7 is running and developing upgraded version of our Property Evaluator with all the stuff that we mentioned. But the most important is realistic output, not just random evaluation. Always it can be better, but in one shot we can have at least something that is valuable and free, of course. These are the codes. Here are the codes we will run to test our Property Evaluator. And now we have a location, asset type. We have a lot of assets, area size, bedrooms, bathrooms, year built, and condition. Here are the data inputs. This is the README file that Opus developed. It's valuable. Always you can read to understand the project. And the most important are env.local. Here we need codes to actually allow Anthropic or Cloud to output the result. We can get it on Cloud Console. We click on API and we create API. Really easy and fast, and probably the best option so far. But you can use ChatGPT, Gemini, whatever. So now we're gonna test it. We click on location, we choose asset, area, bedrooms, bathrooms, year build, and condition, and we calculate AI estimate. After a few seconds we have the output, 30 million, whatever. I believe it's good. We have some issues here with output, but anyway, it's small minor issues. The most important thing is that this is working, and this is the proof. We go to console to actually check is Cloud searching the web. It has 3 search counts, and it's good. This is the most important part.
AI agents don't work alone. They operate like a coordinated digital team. One agent gives instructions while specialized agents execute the mission. The future isn't doing everything yourself. It's directing intelligent systems. Each AI agent handles a specific role: research, coding, testing, and verification. Your prompt instantly activates an entire workflow of AI specialists. The new superpower is not writing more code, it's managing AI effectively.
Our next task in our project are properties. We want these properties to have a sales page, so every property is single sales page, and actually to have data, property data on Supabase. Later on we can automate it really easy. So Cloud developed for us a detailed prompt for our Cursor. It's the best way to develop a prompt with AI. Later on you read. If you agree, you download MD file, you drag this file to Cursor. Simple like this, and you don't need to write anything. You press enter. The agent is developing the project. Here we can see how it's planning to do the project. What we need to look for are ENV API keys from Supabase. Supabase is the easiest one to start if you want your project to have data, to have tables, and it's must-have. You start the project, really easy to to create new organization. It's even free, you don't need to pay anything. And simple like this, you have your interface and the most important part is to connect your project with the API keys with the Supabase URL and with the Supabase Anon key. The most important part here is the security. So never share your keys. Doesn't matter if it's your test project or whatever. Always make sure your keys are safe, because you can have a lot of troubles if you don't watch for your keys. So we paste in env local file both of these keys for now, and after we're done, we're gonna paste it here, simple like this. Also, what is really important is the SQL code to actually have tables on Supabase. We copy this SQL code that Cursor developed for us. We go again to Supabase, but now we go to SQL editor and we paste the code like this. We run this query. Success no rows returned is a positive message that we have table with data, Slack name, bedrooms, bathrooms, so really important. Now we're gonna test our properties pages. First, npm run dev is another way to run the terminal, to run the codes, to actually see your project front end. We click open here like this. And this is our property. Okay, it always can be better. For me, this is a bit too much dark, but anyway, it's really advanced website. We have images, we have features, so yeah. In few minutes you can have a lot. I'm satisfied. It's few shots and we have pages, data, many things, and amazing design, of course. Really good, really good.
Nerman leaned back, watching his screen come to life without a single keystroke. On one monitor, his AI agents were vibe coding a high-end dashboard for Nermatic, spinning up complex React components in seconds. He wasn't fighting syntax, he was directing a team. When the AI generated a technically perfect but cluttered layout, Nerman stepped in. He performed surgery on the prompt, sharpening the intent until the aesthetic snapped into place. The AI had the raw speed, but he had the vision. He realized his new superpower wasn't the ability to write more code, it was the judgment to manage the machine effectively.
In this phase, we're gonna develop SQL codes for our consultations section. So here, the potential client will input the data to speak with experts or anyway, some consultations, whatever. We need to connect this with Supabase, so the cloud prompt, make detailed prompt to make sure everything will be connected. We download this prompt as MD file and we simply drag it to Cursor agent and we click enter. Claude Opus 4.7 will develop SQL codes without any issues probably, because it's really good. In this, after we have this consultations.sql, we're gonna copy I'm gonna copy this code and paste it here. Supabase, SQL editor. We paste it and we run it. Success neurons returned positive message. We have consultations on Supabase. Now we're gonna test it. We go open new terminal. We write npm run dev and we click enter, and in few seconds the website should open. We click here on localhost and now we're gonna test it. We enter the data. Okay, we enter dummy data, phone number, budget, desired location, and we submit. And after the success message, we see here in Supabase we have actually catch this data. After that we can automate it. And next step in our project is this chatbox. So we're gonna develop advanced chatbot. We're gonna change everything right now here. I don't like how it looks. The Cloud developed for us prompt, detailed prompt with strict instructions how to build, how to develop this chatbot. We're gonna download this MD file. We're gonna drag and drop to Claude Opus 4.7 on the cursor. It's gonna start developing, planning, and really fast and advanced way to develop a chatbot on your website. You can see how it's developing, and in few minutes it's gonna develop a great tool on your website. So chatsessions.sql is a code that we need to copy and paste in SQL editor to have sessions and messages catched in real time. So we go to table editor and we can see chat messages and chat sessions available. But also it's developed the logo, animation around chat. We changed name and we changed a little bit how it actually communicate with users with Claude Opus 4.7 model. Now we're gonna test it. What should I look for before buy a house in Miami? This is the first test message to see will it give advices. Maybe a longer output, but it gives advice. But not only advice, it actually recommend a property in Miami that we have in our database. So actually it recommends a property. So now we're gonna ask recommend me a property, and it needs data. I'm looking for villa in Beverly Hills. Let's say we have this property in our database. Again, a longer output, but it gives us Obsidian Villa. We click on this property and it gives us a sales page about that property. Again, we're gonna click book consultation. So now we want book consultation and see will it catch on Supabase. So we enter our dummy data with mail, phone number, budget range, whatever. Let's see a lower budget, 800k. We don't have properties around that price. And now the lowest price is 18.2 million. So we need higher budget actually to book consultation with experts. And now after we edited our budget, we got recommendations. The most important part, that we catch the data and that we can automate it later on a lot.